Hello guys, how are you today? The topic of our video is that how make it last, how to take a screenshot on your iPhone, iPad or Apple Watch. You can you know that as the shortcut key of a Android screenshot for taking is that power button and volume down button or up button. So iPhone has not this feature, so we will discuss about the taking screenshot on iPhone. You can simply you can open the assistive touch, and after clicking on the assistive touch there is the top and the right side is the device. After clicking on the device you will see that one is the screenshot button and another is the screen recorder button. After clicking on the screenshot button you will take screenshot, or you can edit or put your screenshot button on your notification bar. So we will discuss about need a quick screen grab. Here's how to capture what's on the screen of your Apple devices. If you need to preserve what's on your screen, a screenshot is the simplest and best option. The process is easy for iPhone and iPad user, but it differs depending on your phone model. Meanwhile, Apple Watch owners have only one option, but it might not be obvious at first. You can download the screenshot application from your Apple Store. For Mac users, we have a separate guide on how to take screenshots in macOS. Here's how to take a screen grab on all your other Apple devices by pressing volume up button, power button and home screen button. After clicking on this, you will take screenshots. How to take screenshot on your iPhone depends on whether you have a home button or not. For the iPhone model, without one, hold down the side button to the right of the screen and the volume up button at the same time of a text screenshot. For all older models that still have a physical button on the front of phone, iPhone 8 and older, and the iPhone SE models, you press the home button and hold down the side button. You will see a flash on the screen, and if your sound is on, you will appear a camera shutter. The screenshot will then appear in your camera roll and in the screenshot album. How to take screenshot on your iPod? Similar to the process on iPhone. For newer iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad and iPad mini models that have no home buttons, you just press to the top button and the volume up or down button at the same time. If you have an older iPad that still have a home button, and press the top button and the home button at the same. On the older iPads and iPhone function that is similar as to the Android buttons, just press on the power button and scroll button, volume scroll. If you use a Apple Pencil with an iPad, you can take a screenshot grab with the drawing tool by swiping up from the button corner of home screen to customize with corner. Open setting Apple Pencil and set left corner swipe or right corner swipe to screenshot. You can also set both corners to take a screen grab. In the iPad, you can use your iPad Pencil, which you take from the iPad. By drawing pencils, you can take screenshot in which areas which you selected. Some areas through the pencil on the iPad, you will take screenshot. Your device will also let you take screenshot of a full web page instead of a just with a it is what is currently shown on the screen. Tap the thumbnail that appears at the bottom of the screen. Once you capture an image, this will open the device's markup tool and allow to edit the screen grab. To save the full screen, tap the full page, tap at the top of the image. If this does not appear, the image does not work. With this feature, tap done and save to PDF files. The image will be then accessible for Apple's Files app. After taking screenshot, you will send your screenshot through WhatsApp through PDF files. If you send your image through PDF files, your images will be sent with a high quality, and by a simple method on the WhatsApp, your image quality will be down after sending on other device. Some apps may take it difficult to take screenshots through the normal means. This is where your device built-in screen recording tools come in. While its primary purpose is to record a video of your screen, you can pause the video and take screenshot the way. So this is the the video which we will discuss about. The topic of this video is that make it last, that how we can take screenshot on an iPhone. I hope you are understand our video clearly. If you understand our video, then like our video, subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon for get more notification. Commit to the next video. Goodbye.